Imagine making $1,000 a day without any previous experience or needing a massive social media following. Sound impossible? Maybe you've tried other methods that left you overwhelmed, frustrated, or just plain stuck. I've been there too, but today I'm gonna be revealing a brand new affiliate system that's so simple, even beginners are earning big commissions on autopilot. Now stick with me through this entire video because I'm gonna be sharing with you, first off, the results that I've been getting just sending a few clicks the last few days. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to set up this system step by simple step, and I'm even going to share with you a few simple traffic strategies that you can use to start driving clicks to your link as soon as today. So let's hop on my laptop and let me walk you through this process step by simple step. Okay, so these are the literal 3 steps to make $1,000+ a day without any experience with this new system. Number 1 is get access to the free affiliate marketing system. So you're gonna actually be able to get access to this. I'll share exactly how to do that and sign up in just a second. Step number 2 is we're gonna set up this system and add our affiliate links into it, okay? Inside of these specific high paying, some instant and some reoccurring commission paying programs. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through that. And then we're gonna flood our funnel link, okay, the done for you funnel that you'll get access to inside the system with both free and instant traffic. Okay, so we wanna get as many high quality people going through this funnel so they can get followed up with on autopilot based on the automatic done for you follow-up sequence so you can start making these commissions. But first, let me just share with you some results so you can see what's possible. Now, inside of the system, as you'll see in just a second, there's actually 7 main income streams that you can get paid with. So this is really cool. So you just promote one link and you can get paid in different streams. This is the first stream right here. Now, keep in mind, I've literally just been promoting about 3 days, not even doing a lot of promoting, just sending a few clicks here and there. I posted a couple times on Facebook and, sent out an email or two. And you can see right here, yesterday I was able to make $92, okay? And in the last 7 days, really the last 2 or 3 days, $132, okay? Now keep in mind, this one right here actually has pass ups. So as you sign up other people using this system and their people get signups, etc., you'll be able to make pass ups and things like that. Now, to start with this income stream, it's just $10. So you can see the fact that I made that, it's definitely working because I'm getting a lot of people joining. You can see right here, I get paid inside of Squarespace, okay, in this specific income stream. And you can see the date right here, okay, at the time of recording, this was actually yesterday. And you can see that I had one transaction, one sale of $900, okay? So I was actually able to generate a $900 commission on autopilot just leveraging this exact system that you'll get access to as well. So now step number 1 is signing up and getting access to this free system. Now, all you have to do is click the first link directly below and you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. What you want to do is you want to put your best email in right here because not only will you be able to sign up with the system, I'm going to share with you updates and different strategies inside of your email inbox over the next week or so to get the best results with this system. So just go ahead and sign in. Okay, and ultimately you'll get taken to this page here. Now this is the free account creation page, okay, inside of this system. All you have to do, now you can watch this welcome video here, you can read over some of this information, but all you have to do is go down here, click this big yellow button, start here, fill out your first name, last name, your goal. So you can say, make sales. You agree to send a testimonial, okay? Put in your best email. Now it does have to be a Gmail address, okay? So if you don't have one, just create one for the sake of creating an account. Put in a password. This is gonna be how you're gonna log in each day to check your commissions and get your affiliate link and things like that. Select You're Not a Robot and then just create your account. Now, once you're inside of your account right here, now we wanna start setting up the system, hooking up your affiliate links inside of it so you can start to get paid on those 7 different income streams, etc. Okay, now to make this very simple, the system has these 3 main tabs: setting up your system, okay, autoresponder setup, and then the don't forget to advertise tab, which actually gives you powerful, proven traffic strategies on getting as many clicks as possible to this link here. Okay, so now setting up your system, that's where we're at right now. We're on this tab here. All you have to do is go down here and they have all 7 of the income streams listed right here, okay? Now, all of these are different okay, they're all different things, and they're different tools and assets that you can actually not only get paid with, but actually leverage with your own marketing. So for example, income stream number one right here is called Got Backup. This is actually a cloud backup service that not only can you earn reoccurring commissions and things like that, but you can also use yourself, and if you have photos or large video files, you can actually back it up on this site right here. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to join each of these income streams. Okay, so you can just click this button right here, and you would just go ahead and sign up on this page right there. And then once you sign up, you want to add your affiliate ID, okay, which is going to track these sales to you. You want to put it inside of these boxes. Okay, so once you put it in there, you would just save and update. So now as your members go through this same process and they decide to buy these different income streams, you'll get paid through that as well. Now, if you have any questions on how to set up these income streams, all you have to do is click this tutorial button here, and then David 𝐸𝐸𝐾𝐫, the actual creator of this system, will have very short, simple videos walking you through how to set up an account, how to get your affiliate ID, and how to fill it out on this page. Now, you just want to go through, like I said, there's 7 different income streams. Block out a little bit of time in your day, knock this out, set these up, boom, 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 put your affiliate IDs in there, okay, and go ahead and do all of that. Now, once it's set up, okay, another thing you want to keep in mind is on this specific tab, on this page, this right here is your affiliate link, okay? Now, you want to copy it. You can click there to copy, and you want to keep that handy and safe. You can see affiliate ID here. Okay, that's actually mine, obviously. Okay, you can see right here. That's my affiliate ID. You would have your own. And anytime someone goes to this page right here, okay, they're gonna get taken to this page to create a free account. And again, they would sign up through you. And when they sign up through those income streams here, okay, you would actually get paid. Now, the next step is we need to hook up the autoresponder. So you can just click autoresponder setup right there. Now, income stream number 2 is SendShark. Okay, so when you sign up with this, you'll actually get access to an email autoresponder where you can get, up to 50,000 leads inside of your email for just $25 a month. Okay, so it's incredibly reasonable, affordable, but they also have good paying commissions when you refer other people. So when you sign up for this, you can actually, inside of the autoresponder setup tab, you can choose SendShark, and then it will automatically import the follow-up sequence of emails that are high converting for the system into your personal account with your own link. So as you promote this and people sign up, they'll automatically get followed up with, and when they buy through those emails, you'll get coded for the sale. Okay, now once you do that, okay, very simple, and again, they have this tutorial video here. Once you do that, the last tab right here is the last step, which is getting traffic or clicks to your link. Okay, now on this page, David actually walks you through many different traffic strategies. Some are free, some are paid, some are using the income streams inside of the actual system. So in this video here, he talks about how you can do simple YouTube videos to actually start getting traffic and clicks. Here's another one. Okay, this is actually one of the income streams. So one of the income streams is called My Lead Gen Secret. They've been around for many years. It's very affordable, okay, to actually use this tool. And what this does, and he explains it, is if you sign up for this, you actually every day, okay, and I actually got 200 leads today because I've been a member for a while. But typically when you first start, you'll actually get 100 fresh, high quality leads every single day into your My Lead Gen Secret account. This allows you to actually have a massive email list that you can send an email to with a link to whatever you want. In this case, promoting the super affiliate funnel. Okay, you can see yesterday I had 200. Like I said, you'll start getting bonus leads as you stay a member. And what you want to do inside of this, okay, to get traffic, simply just go to the mailing system tab right here. And then what you want to do is you want to select, okay, all of the leads that you've been getting over the last days that you've been a member. You want to select this, okay? So I have actually like close to 20,000, okay, but I can only select up to 9,000, which is still insane for a very, very tiny monthly fee to get all these leads, right? And then what you want to do is for the subject, okay, you want to actually go into your super affiliate funnel account, and right here, they actually give you the exact subject line to use. Okay, so literally all of the work is done for you. So I put the subject line in there, the body, okay? So we just go back here. This is the body of the email. You can see right here, they actually already replaced, this is my affiliate link that's replaced automatically. So I can literally just copy and paste. And you can see right here, SRC means source, and then my lead gen secret. So it's recommended that you actually replace this word right here inside of your affiliate link based on the traffic source, so you can see where your sales and leads are coming from. So this automatically does that. And then again, you would just go here and then paste that in right there. Okay. And then you can just choose perfect timing, which sends this email based on the perfect timing for that person. And then there's a send button here. Now I've already sent it for today, but you want to do this once per day. Okay. Now, they also have, Udemy. So these are solo ads. I've covered how to do solo ads in other videos on my channel if you want to check that out. But he walks you through in this video exactly how to purchase solo ads. And this is the email swipe to actually purchase those as well. So there's also this one right here, which is another one of the income streams on how to get different clicks and traffic to your link, okay, using something called safe lists, which he explains. So this system is absolutely incredible. Again, it's really simple. These are the exact 3 steps that I've been using, and I did a video a few days ago showing proof of other people that are beginners doing the same exact thing. This system is still very new. All you have to do, again, is step number 1, get access, go down to the link directly below, put your best email in, and then set up the system and look out for emails from me on how to best do that. Step number 2 is, again, set up the different income streams, adding your affiliate IDs into it so you can get paid yourself. And then flood that one link, okay, with both free and instant traffic. This is it, my friend. If you have any more questions, comment them below. Like if you got value, subscribe so you don't miss my latest updates and case studies. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.